Common induction operating sounds using correct cookware. For more information, please refer to your owner's manual.
Service should be performed by authorized service technicians only. Please review all of this product's literature, including all safety warnings and any associated job aids, before performing service on the appliance.
When using induction cooktop elements, pan size, material, and positioning are very important to achieve the best results, and only ferromagnetic pans can be used for induction cooking. Ferromagnetic materials include enameled steel, cast iron, stainless steel designed for induction cooking. Normal induction operating noises. You may hear a cracking noise when you are using cookware made of 2 or more materials. These noises are normal and can be attributed to the type and quality of cookware with layers of different cookware materials. Humming. You may hear a low humming when you set an element to a high power setting. This sound is generated by energy transmission, and it will disappear when cooktop is turned off or at lower power settings.